Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw Ethereum from the Coinbase wallet. Now, if you're looking to withdraw your Ethereum from the Coinbase wallet, make sure you have enough to cover your gas fees. So depending on how many tokens you have, please take note of the amount you're going to be spending to cover gas fees. If you do not have enough Ethereum, the buy icon at the top left, you could click on this icon and simply buy some Ethereum using your credit card, depending on your region and the credit card you chose, whether it's your MasterCard or your Visa card. You could make instant payments and receive the funds instantly. Now, with your Ethereum available on your wallet, all you need to do is simply click on the send icon at the right. Once you've selected send, select the Ethereum token you wish to send. So once you selected Ethereum, enter the amount of Ethereum tokens you wish to send. So let's say you have 8,000 Ethereum tokens you wish to send. All you need to do now is simply click on next, and you'll be taken to a menu where you simply enter the wallet address. So now we're going to be sending our Ethereum to a wallet or a centralized exchange, both of which work the same way. All you need is a wallet address. So minimize, and in this tutorial video we will be working with the Trust Wallet. So open up your Trust Wallet or any wallet of your choice, click on the receive icon you find, and simply search for ETH, which stands for the Ethereum token. Now, once you search for Ethereum, make sure you're selecting the mainnet Ethereum, which is this Ethereum here that I've highlighted. So click on this Ethereum, copy the wallet address. Once it's been copied, open up your Coinbase wallet and paste the address there. Once it's been pasted, click on the confirm option, and you could easily send your cryptocurrency, being the Ethereum, from your Coinbase wallet into the Trust Wallet. And minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. Once it's opened, simply use the search icon to search for the token, which is the Ethereum, and select the mainnet Ethereum, and you'd find that you've received your Ethereum token successfully, as well as a receipt for the transaction, or a transaction history would be shown for the Ethereum token. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.